Since President Obama signed the health care bill into law yesterday, we've been receiving dozens of emails from concerned military veterans, servicemen and women, and their families asking how this will affect their coverage and their benefits. Peter Gaytan is the executive director of American Legion and the author of, quote, For Service to Your Country, a guide to veterans' benefits. He's here to answer some of those questions. Peter, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Let's get started.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
Okay, let's go to Becca's question first. I heard that TRICARE, which is the coverage used by military families and retirees, is not an approved insurance under the new health care rules. Can you check this out? Did you check this out?
Yes, the American Legion has checked this out. We've been a part of the debate since the beginning, and she can rest assured that her TRICARE benefits are secure under the law that was just signed by President Obama yesterday. The American Legion was a vocal advocate in ensuring that TRICARE benefits are safe under the new law, so she's safe. TRICARE beneficiaries will receive their TRICARE benefits under this new law.
All right. I am a 55-year-old female, says Judith. She's a veteran who served in the U.S. Navy as a medic. I have no insurance, and all my medical needs are taken care of by the VA hospital. Now, will the bill affect a veteran's medical coverage?
Now, first, let me thank her for her service to the country, and let me reassure her that her VA access to VA health care is not in any way negatively affected by the new law. The benefits that she's earned through her service to this country will still be recognized through the Department of Veterans Affairs. So under this new health care reform bill, as it was signed by the President, she can still access the health care, the quality delivery of health care through the Department of Veterans Affairs that she's earned through her service.
Peter, that's all the specific questions I have for you right now. But overall, in the overarching scheme, for those who did not write us, what's something else that military veterans, those serving and who have served, should know?
They should know that under the new law that the President, the Secretary of Defense, and the Secretary of Veterans Affairs has assured the American Legion, the nation's largest veteran service organization, that those earned health care benefits that our American service members gain through their service and through their sacrifice to our country will not in any way be negatively affected by the final bill that comes out. While there's a need to focus on health care reform for us as a nation overall, what the American Legion focus is to make sure that American service members who have served, are serving, and will serve, that their earned benefits to access to quality health care through the Department of Veterans Affairs is secure now and into the future. And the American Legion will continue to do that.
And this bill is over 2,000 pages long. We have questions. Here in the studio, we have questions. People watching right now, where would they go if they're a veteran or serving right now to get those questions answered? Where do you recommend they go?
I recommend they go to www.legion.org. The American Legion, as I said, has been a vocal advocate in ensuring that any health care reform package that comes through makes sure that the benefits, the health care benefits of our nation's veterans, our nation's heroes, are secure in whatever final version of the overall national health care reform bill is passed. So if they have any questions, they can contact their local Department of the Veterans Affairs, or they can contact their local American Legion, or contact us here in Washington, D.C. It's what we do, and it's who we are.
All right, Peter, and if you're involved in the military and people that are know this, they get answers and they get things done. So those who have questions will get answers if they go to the places you just brought up, and we'll have that on our website a little bit later, foxandfriends.com. Peter Gaytan, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
All right, meanwhile, up straight.